Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so for Brett, I honestly start to debate if we can still call this a fourth wave if we keep going like that. I don't have any signs that the price of the down pressure is ending. And so if that is the case, I'm trying to see if I just don't call this a wave 1 or a wave A, and we are still working into this pullback. This could be an A, a B, and still working into this C. It could be also, if I'm more precise, maybe I didn't explore it still yet because I need to double check. This could be a W, X, Y, X, and then Z. And that I think would fit more with what is doing now, Brett. This could imply that the correction is not finished and it can go even lower, up to 3 cents 7880. So I cannot start to be bullish because I don't see any sign that we're getting better, honestly. As you can see, if this pullback would have stopped earlier, then I could say, okay, maybe this is a crazy week, and I could count this as an A. But then no, we went almost at the same level of the origin. We barely cannot invalidate it, but I mean, it's just crazy. So no signs, honestly, that this downtrend is finished. And at this point, honestly, I can just recycle my downtrends here, and you can see that it's not really productive putting trends really, unless you are short term and expecting for a reaction. But for the moment, this is what we're having, and it looks like price it's playing with these lines here, right? So is it going to do that for a while before we get fed up and really do something either bearish or bullish? We shall see, because if we keep going like this, can we start to say, well, this could be a wave A, a wave B, a wave C, a wave D, a wave E, and then it go lower, make a lower low, local lower low. Then I can call this a wave 2 or a wave B, and then after that I can look or expect maybe for a reversal of price, and price start to go higher. Also here, if we look at the bigger picture, it tried to break this very long-term downtrend. Let me go check here. And you can see that it starts to be relevant, even if we break it, for a while. After that, I think did we ever had a full candle on top that lasted? So we didn't even had once. Maybe here we had once a full candle, but then it didn't last. So now this is crazy, but when you zoom out, you can really see that it's a problem now. I would argue that if we lose once again this level, we're going to go and bounce to this trend line here. We do have 2 touching point. So if we get rejected again, I would say every time we try to pass it, we have a strong rejection, strong rejection, strong rejection. So if we go again, then hopefully this trend line it can use as a support, but eventually it's going to do something. And it's like, it is a boring time for meme coins. I don't believe meme coins are really moving. Let me go and check. In general, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so yeah, not really. Let me go see just, everybody's kind of moving on the side. Emil, it did do something, but actually it's a long time. I didn't check Emule, but as you can see, possibly it reached the third wave. We had the minimum. Maybe it's even doing something, still working a little bit more. We shall see. Anyway, this is a bread chart. So yeah, for the moment, honestly, I don't see anything new. We need to check these levels. If can he hold? And I mean, I feel I'm talking, but I'm saying nothing because nothing new changed. So I'm sorry for that, but until we don't go back to 5 cent 6, something more bullish start to happen. If we can have a clear 1-2, but for the moment, I don't have impulsive movement. I have nothing. All right, so hopefully, well, you know, it's it is what it is. Chart are boring lately, unless you are a Solana or an Ethereum that is really holding well. Otherwise, the rest it's a little bit suffering. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.